In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset picture in Excel. If you've ever brightened, cropped, recolored, or added effects to an image in your worksheet, and later wished you could go back, the reset picture command is exactly what you need. It rolls your image back to the way it looked when you first inserted it, without you having to manually undo each change. Start by clicking the picture you want to fix. You'll know it's selected when you see small handles appear around its edges. If you don't see those handles, it isn't selected, and the reset option won't be available. Also, make sure you've clicked the actual image, not a chart, shape, or cell. Those use different formatting tools. If the image is tucked behind other objects, try clicking once to select the top object. Then click again on the picture, or use the selection pane if you're comfortable with that. With the picture selected, look for the Picture Format tab that appears along the top ribbon. This tab only shows up when an image is selected. In the Adjust group, click Reset Picture. The moment you do, Excel strips away the formatting changes you've applied since insertion, things like color corrections, artistic effects, shadows, glow, transparency, and cropping. Your image returns to its original look as it was imported into the workbook. A quick note about sizing. Reset Picture focuses on formatting. If you resize the image and want to keep that size, Reset Picture is safe to use. There's a separate option called Reset Picture and Size that also restores the original dimensions. If you only want to undo the edits while preserving the current size and placement, make sure you click Reset Picture, not the size option. After resetting, take a moment to confirm everything looks right. If you reset by mistake, press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac to undo. Keep in mind, reset can't take you back beyond the original file state. For example, if the picture was already cropped or edited before you inserted it into Excel, reset will return it to that inserted version, not to an earlier version that exists outside the workbook. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If the command is grayed out, double-check that a picture is selected. Consider working on a duplicate image if you're experimenting heavily, so you always have a clean original on the sheet. And remember to save your workbook after making changes you're happy with. That's it. Click the picture, then click Reset Picture. Simple, fast, and a great way to get your visuals back to their original clarity without starting from scratch.